tacos. No need to ask why, just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, it's raining tacos. Out on the street, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos, yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. Rain and tacos. Rain and tacos. It's raining tacos. Why? Every time I need to remind you. They did clap, Connor. They didn't clap when I was doing this. They
We
clapped.
gotta make sure we don't clap too hard.
Okay, are we then gonna do it again? Or was that good?